Alright friends, I want to show you how to generate certificates using Python. Recently, I was working on a project where I needed to generate certificates for students who passed an exam. So we are going to write a Python script to automate this process. We need Canva and 2 Python libraries. Canva can be used to create a template for the certificates. We can customize any design. Now we need to export the design as a PDF file. I'm going to download the first design as a PDF file. Alright, we can find the design in the downloads folder. Let's check the downloads folder. I'm going to place the template in the working directory. Paste. This is the template. Next, we need to install the 2 libraries. Pip install -r requirements.txt. The 2 libraries are installed. PyPDF2 is a PDF library capable of splitting and transforming PDF files. ReportLab is also a PDF library. In certificate.py, we imported the necessary libraries. Within this function, we create an instance of the PDF reader. Then we access the first page. We are also using a custom font. You can search and download the font. Download the name of the font. So you can download the font from any of the websites. Next, we set the font size and the color, which is gold. At this point, we are writing text to the PDF file. X and Y refer to the position. This part is only needed if your certificate is more than 1 page. Finally, we create a new file where the new certificate is stored. Now, we want to call the function with the input and the output file. The input file is the template, which is this template, and the name of the output file. Remember, we open the output file in write binary, so it overwrites the file if it is present. Let me print text on the screen. Print certificate completed. Now let's run the program. Certificate completed. Let me open the outputs. It works. So this is how you can use Python to create a PDF certificate. You can take this further by creating a form where users can enter their email and course of study. Once they submit this information, you can either email the certificate to them or send it back to the front end. I hope you've learned something from this video. Please like, comment and share. Thanks.